Friends, look at our town. It has a title, a story, a picture, even a shopping list. Our website is really growing.
But the town entrance is just there. Nothing happens when you visit it. It's a bit boring, don't you think?
What if visitors could click something? What if the town entrance had a button? A magic button that does something when you press it. That's what we're building today. The most exciting thing we've made yet. In HTML, there is a tag called, wait for it, the button tag. Super creative name, right? It makes a button. Just like our heading and paragraph tags, the button tag is a sandwich tag. Opening tag, words in the middle, and a closing tag. The words in the middle are what get written on the button. That's the label everyone can see.
Think of it like a doorbell. The button tag is the doorbell itself.
But right now, if you click it, nothing happens yet. We still need to give it instructions. Remember when we learned about the src attribute? That gave our image its address. Well, the button has a special attribute too. It's called onclick. On-click. When someone clicks the button, what should happen? Today, we'll use a magic instruction called alert. When you put a message inside alert, a tiny pop-up appears with your message. It's like a tiny messenger who pops out and delivers a note every time someone clicks the button. Here's how they work together. On-click means when clicked. Alert means show a pop-up. The words inside become your message. The message goes inside the round brackets and quotation marks. Click the button, and your message pops up like magic. Okay, let's add the magic button to our town entrance. I'll put it right at the bottom of the page for now. First, I open my button tag. Then I write what should appear on the button. Now let's run it and see what we have.
Woohoo!
There's our button. But if I click it, nothing. The doorbell is there, but it has no instructions yet. Let's add the onclick magic. I type onclick equals, then quotation marks, then alert, then round brackets. The message goes inside alert, inside the round brackets, and inside quotation marks. Okay, moment of truth. Let's click run, then press the button. Did you see that? The page talked back. We clicked the button and something happened. Our web page is no longer just sitting there. It responds to us. That is the most exciting thing we have ever built on this channel. Now, can I tell you a secret?
That alert instruction isn't actually HTML. HTML simply called in a helper. A very powerful helper called. When HTML calls for amazing things can happen. Pop-ups, games, animations, even moving pictures.
We'll learn its name later. For now, just enjoy your magic button. There are many more exciting adventures waiting for us. Your turn. I want you to make your very own magic button with your own special message. Let's start with a heading for your magical web page. Now type your button. Don't worry, we'll change the message in just a moment. Replace these words with something funny, kind, or exciting. Make the message your own. Need some ideas? Try one of these fun messages. Or invent your own. We're in Valgum. Haha, ha ha! Take your time. Type carefully, especially the brackets and quotation marks. Then click Run and press your button. Did your message pop up? Awesome! Show someone in your family. They're going to be so impressed with your magic button.
Look at everything we've built in Bot Town now. A title, a story, a picture, a shopping list, and now, a magic button!
The button tag makes a clickable button. And just like our heading and paragraph tags, it's a sandwich tag. It's a sandwich tag. The words between the tags are what get written on the button. Onclick tells the button what to do when someone clicks it. Alert pops up a message, like a tiny messenger delivering a note. Next time, we'll learn big headings, small headings, and everything in between. Bot Town needs proper signs for every street. See you then, friends!